Good morning, students. Yesterday we were talking about gender, correct? What is that gender? Gender means there are three types of gender. Gender in Marathi, you might have learned, I think so. It is called linga, okay? And there are three types of gender. How many types of genders? Three types of genders. First one is masculine gender, second one is feminine gender, and third one is neuter gender. Now, what is masculine gender? Masculine gender means male person. Masculine gender means what? Male person. Feminine gender means what? Female person. And neuter gender means non-living things. Correct? I think you have understood yesterday. I told you examples. Brother. Brother refers to which gender? Brother refers to male gender. Then father refers to which gender? Male gender. Uncle refers to which gender? Male gender. Male gender is called what? Male gender is called masculine gender. What it is called? Masculine gender. You should able to pronounce. तुम्हाला pronounce करता आलं पाहिजे. काय म्हणायचं? Masculine. What you have to say? Masculine. Masculine means male. Then sister, there was second example which we saw in the book, that was of sister. Sister refers to which gender? Sister refers to female gender. Female gender means what? Ladies, correct? Not then sister, mother, auntie, they all are what? They are females. So females are also called feminine gender. What they are called? Feminine gender. What they are called? You should able to pronounce this, so I am repeating it again and again. It is called feminine gender. That was second gender which we studied yesterday. And third one is neuter gender. What is third one? It is neuter gender. In this way we studied yesterday three types of genders, and I told you in tomorrow's period we are going to study some questions. Now it was told that we have to classify words according to the gender. Now masculine gender, feminine gender, and neuter gender. What we have to do? We have to make three columns. Masculine, feminine, and neuter. Now in masculine gender, yesterday we have taken examples were of, I think so we studied first 5 examples, correct? Yesterday we studied 5 examples. Look here now. Which were those table? Mother, priest, pen, and TV. 6, 7, 8 we will study today, okay? Now first one. Table is what? Table is neuter gender. So I will write down table in neuter gender. T-A-B-L-E, table. Understood? Mother is what? Mother is feminine gender. Yesterday we studied. Mother is feminine gender. Third one was priest. Priest is what? Priest is masculine gender. So I am writing priest in masculine gender. Fourth one was pen. Now pen is what? Pen is non-living thing. Pen can move from one place to another? No. अरे पेनला पाय असतात का? नाही. पेन एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागेवर जाऊ शकतो का? नाही. पेन वाढतो का? तुम्ही असं म्हणू शकता का पेन माझा आज एवढा होता आणि आज एवढा झाला? You can say what? No. Pen cannot grow. Pen is non-living thing. So pen is what? Pen is neuter gender. Then like next one was TV. TV is also what? Neuter gender. TV is non-living thing. We are not using TV. We are using TV at home. It is non-living thing, and TV does not move from one place to another. TV is not having legs. Or you will say, "Oh, ma'am, we have one TV and the TV is walking from one place to another." No. Now sixth one is mare. Mare means what? See now, sixth one is what? M-A-R-E, mare. Mare म्हणजे काय? Female. Are you understanding? Mare म्हणजे काय? Female. Now female, what is male? What is male of mare? Female. Mare हे female horse आहे आणि male horse ला आपण horse म्हणतो, right? Male is what? Horse, and female is what? Mare. So mare will come in which? It will come in feminine gender. Understood? मराठीतून आपण घोडा आणि घोडी म्हणतो, राईट. सो घोडा इज व्हॉट, हॉर्स, अँड घोडी इज व्हॉट, मेर. You should learn this new word, okay? It is called M-A-R-E, mare. Now, seventh one example which is given here is gander. It is a masculine gender. G-A-N-D-E-R. Are you understanding? Next one example is of heroine. Now, seventh one was what? It was gander. Eighth one is heroine. नाइन्थ वन इज कॉक, C-O-C-K, कॉक. आता हिरोईन काय आहे? हिरोईन इज व्हॉट? हिरोईन इज फिमेल. यू कॅन सी पिक्चर ऑफ हिरोईन. गॅन्डर इज व्हॉट? मेल. करेक्ट. व्हॉट इज फिमेल ऑफ गॅन्डर? गीज. ओके. फिमेल ऑफ गॅन्डर इज व्हॉट? गीज. नाउ हिरोईन, व्हॉट इज मेल ऑफ हिरोईन? हिरो. कॉक, कॉक इज मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर. व्हॉट इज फिमेल ऑफ कॉक? Female of cock is hen. Understood? So now I have written gander. Then heroine. Heroine is a female, so it will come in. It will come in feminine gender. Understood? I told you next example was of cock. Cock means komda, and hen means what? Kumdi. So then C-O-C-K, cock is what? Cock is male. So it will come in which group? It will come in masculine gender. C-O-C-K, cock. समजलं का? Understood? Next one, 10th example is shepherd. Now look here. Shepherd is a man who takes care of sheep. So then this is what man. Then man is what? Shepherd man is what? Male. So it will come in masculine gender. Box. Box काय आहे? Box living thing आहे का? Box ला पाय असतात का? No, box do not have legs, so it is what? Neuter gender. Here one picture is there. It is, he is an uncle. Uncle is what? Uncle is male. So when uncle is male, then it will come in which column? It will come in masculine gender. So I will write down shepherd will come in masculine gender. Correct. Box will come in neuter gender. Understood? And uncle will come in masculine gender. Have you understood? And next three examples are pillow, princess and cow. Pillow, princess and cow. Can you see? Pillow, princess and cow. Now pillow. Pillow in Marathi, what we call for pillow? We call ushi, correct or not? You use it at home. Princess means what? Princess means Rani. And cow means what? Cow means guy. So in this way now, pillow will come in which group? Pillow will come in neuter gender. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Princess will come in which group? Princess will come in feminine gender. Princess. And cow. Cow in Marathi we call it guy. So it will come in which? It will come in masculine gender or it will come in feminine gender? It will come in feminine gender. Now what is male of? Female is cow. Then what is male? Male is bull. Correct or not? Bail and guy. Understood? In this way we have classified. What we have done? We have done classification of pictures which are given in the book according to their genders. What we have done? We have done classification of words. You can see backside also places there. If you have taken grammar book, तुम्ही जर grammar book घेतला असेल तर तुम्ही काय करायचे? 3 groups already आहेत. What is there? 3 groups are there. Can you see? 3 groups are there in your book downside. You have to write down your masculine gender, you have to write down feminine gender, here you have to write down neuter gender. Again you have to turn your page and back side again. Places there to write down examples. Can you see? In this way, what we have done, we have completed first question. Classify the following pictures. Look at the pictures and classify them according to the genders. मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर कोणतं आहे, फेमिनाइन जेंडर कोणतं आहे, न्यूट्रल जेंडर कोणतं आहे, त्याच्यानुसार काय करायचं आहे, क्लासिफाय करायचं आहे. अंडरस्टूड? सो हाऊ मेनी एक्झाम्पल्स आर देअर इन मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर? प्रीस्ट, गॅन्डर, कॉक, शेफर्ड, अंकल. किती एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत? 5 एक्झाम्पल्स आर देअर. In feminine gender also 5 examples are there. Which are those? Mother, mare, heroine, princess, cow. In neuter gender again 5 examples are there. Which are those? Table, pen, TV, box and pillow. In this way we have completed first question of our lesson, the gender, and tomorrow we are going to study second question. Now what is your homework? तुमचा homework काय आहे? You have to write down this everything in your English grammar notebook. What you have to do? You have to write down question number 1. What is question number 1? Classify the following words. I will show you that question. See, here it is. You have to write down this question. Question number 1. Classify the following words into their appropriate genders. And this column which is there on the board, you have to write down this column in your English grammar notebook. Have you understood? Have you understood what is your homework? Okay. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.